Hey, this is Wasim and you are watching Fitness Addicted Pro. Hi guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing your weight loss journey with full of energy and with full of passion. So guys, today I bring, I can say, the most asking topic from me from the day one when I start this channel, I start the blog, walk versus running. So this is also one of the greatest topic I want to speak about it. But before speaking, I just want to share information that my YouTube channel tell me that 80% of my visitor just watch my video without subscribing it. So guys, it's a request, please hit that red button over there somehow. It will help me a lot and keep me motivated to make more videos for you guys. So please, it's a request, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And okay, so let's start the video and tell you how everything is going on. Okay, so our topic is walk versus running. So before I go into the detail, let me tell you what exactly walk is. Walk is like that you have select some kind of parameter, some kind of area where you will walk every day. Like you can say point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, and you will cover that whole point in, I can say, around 20 minutes per day. And each day you are walking like this and going over there and trying your best to stay healthy and stay motivated. It will really help you. Walking is very simple, just wear some good runners and go there and do whatever you want. And one more thing I want to tell you, which I saw when people walking, I saw people walking in slippers and home sandals. This is not a good way of walk. I will request you all, at least put some little bit amount on you and buy a good runner for yourself. You can easily find it a very nice range. I will put some good runners link in the description, which I am going to follow, and I hope that will help you in your walking journey. Okay, so this is basically a walk. You maintain 4 points and you cover each point every day, and you try your best to beat your performance from your last day. Let's suppose if you walk whole 4 points in 30 minutes, next day you will try to walk whole 4 points in 29 minutes. So beat your performance. So this is a walk. What is running? Running is like that. Running is not a, I can say, is a normal workout. It's a proper workout for weight loss, to gain stamina. Running, those people do running who want to make their stamina, who want to lose their weight. So if you want to do running, you have to make sure that 4 point which you are covering in 30 minutes. If you are doing running, you can easily cover it in within I can say 15 minutes. But running needs dedication, because let's suppose if you are running in the same speed like this every time, one by one, this is not correct. You need, if you want to lose weight and you want to make your running accurate, so I want to say you that you have to maintain your heart rate. Okay, how you will do it? What I was following when I was losing weight is run for like around 5 minutes fastly and then stop and walk like that, or minimal jog. What it will do, first running will take your heart rate top, on the top it pump your heart rate. After that it will keep downing when you are jogging, and after 3 minutes of small walk, you again start running. What it will happen, it will fastly lose your calories, it will also give you stamina, and it will also help you to stay motivated and also lose your weight. If you are keep running in a normal same speed every day, stamina not going to be in your side. So you have to work hard for that scenario also. And also I want to tell you that both walking and running are important for our health. But if you are concerned and you want to lose your weight, then running is your choice, because running will help you to boost up your stamina. Running will help you to lose your calories quickly, and also running will help you to be in your stamina. Like whatever your goals are, you can achieve with running. But the thing is that you have to do a mixture of both. So people are asking me why I should go, while I should go walk or for running for weight loss. You can go for both, like 10 minutes of running, then 5 minutes of walk, again 10 minutes. So what it will do, pump up your heart rate and then again pump down, pump up, pump down. It will also help you to gain stamina, and it will also help you to lose your weight. I did this exercise every day, and I told you I feel a tremendous difference in my body, in my stamina, in my shape and everything. So this is what you can do, both in a combination, so it will help you a lot. And one more thing, I again request you, please invest something on yourself. If you are going to buy something like a runner or thing, I don't want you to go in a slippers or a sandals for running or walking. It's not feel good, even it's not a proper thing. If you want to go for exercise, you be in a proper attire. So what I will ask you that buy a good runner. You will find this link in the description of good runner. It will help you to stay motivated and also help you to stay on your path, because good runner will be lightweight and will be help you to do fast running. So it will be great. I hope you like this topic, and please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Have a great day and hope you will do run today. Bye bye.